Hello, and I'm glad that you are here to see my progress. So currently, I'm learning C, and then I'll learn C Advanced. I know already C++, quite I'm quite good at typing, yes. And right now I'm learning C. So first I will, yeah, okay, I'll let this for later. So if I run this program, and I'm going to access the A, display the directory content. I'll type A. I can see something really interesting. So this is the entire list of exercises that I've made. So it's located on my C drive, Git repository, programming essentials, and then I'm practicing and learning and mastering C and C++ from the Programmer's Bible, which is a book of 1,300 pages and around 1,500 exercises. So I started learning on 30 November at 11:39. Actually, I was starting earlier, but I was just reading because there were introductory exercises, and then I started to 23, 24, 25, 26, 29, and then here I have the dates. So it's 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then 2, and then 3 and 4. I had 2 busy days, but I didn't stop learning. So as you can see the time, and then on the 5 and 6 and on 7 I couldn't type any I couldn't learn from this book, but I will show you something different. So on the 7, and then on the 8, and right now it's 9. So I have this one, which is my current exercise. So if I go here to Waka time, and I open my Waka time progress, we can see that in the last 7 days I was typing around 6 hours of C plus of C sharp of C, and this is my today's and if I go on yesterday I typed at these moments in the day, and then if I go back I see yesterday on 7, because I didn't type any C, but I was working on. I can also find on what I was working on. So I was playing Count to 1 billion. I was so happy to write a program to count to 1 billion. And then if I go here on my progress, I was typing some Python and some C on the other days. And then again C here on the 4th, on 3 on the 4th, I mentioned that I had some let's say some difficult days. So 3 and 4, yeah, I type at 221 on 3, and 11:55, uh, yes, 11:55, and then on this day I had here this moment with C, and then I had some moments with C++. What I was doing here, oh okay, it didn't display me the exercise, weird. Okay. Maybe because I erased the anyway. And then here I had uh, I had other moments, and if I press here and look for the last 14 days, I can see that I was typing around 14 hours of C and around 10 hours of C++ and around 5 hours of Python. I learned some SQL uh, because I'm preparing myself to make a game. So in order to make the game, I need to interrogate the database. So because of that, I need uh, I need to. I'll stop this one for now. So if I go on my account and then on my repositories, and then I have here different projects, and yeah, this is C, and programming essentials, but here is not HTML. I don't know why, but yeah, here I have my learnings. So 1% of C Sharp, C++, Python, and C. So this is what I'm doing. I hope you have some good overview together with me, because I have to close this instruction. And here is my progress. So everything about C and C++, fundamental manual for programmers. So here, if I go here and say okay, closed subtasks, I can see that I have here all the activities. I named all of them, and I have also the time. I can report the time very quickly, kind of very quickly, because I don't. So I have all these activities: 11, 12, 13, 14. um, if I go to reports, on my toggle track, I can make an interrogation in the last week how much real time I spent learning, because on the Waka time, this is only the time that I was typing code, but the learning is much more. So if I interrogate the programming and then said this not this week, this month, last 30 days, I'll put last 30 days, and if I go to summary, I see the time that I've spent in the last 30 days learning. But what's most importantly is I can type by anyway, it's I don't have all of them, so because I didn't add so this is the period when I was learning C. As you can see, this time is quite accurate with this one, uh, and I still have some. If I take this back, I have some entrance which are empty or something like this. okay, without description. Okay, and then I have some activities on the well code, different programs, SQL, read from CSV project 01. Anyway, or I can interrogate depending on the of the description. I can type A0 because this is actually the time. It's all the activities which start with A0, because I have here all the activities with A001, A002, A003. Okay, that's it for now. And yeah, for instance, in the last 90 days, wow, in the last 90 days, actually I started from October, from 3 of October, I started to fill my entire day and my entire week. So I have around 178 hours. So I want to see how much time I invest in learning. So this is my sleeping time, this is my work time, and then this is family time, this is the programming time, and then these are the others. So if I sort this, I have around 165 hours invested in the last 90 days, which is a lot. And that's it. Okay, thanks for watching.